Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the stock market and looking to make some money, you'll found the right channel. I will show you the best support and resistance levels to watch to help you make a more informed decision when it comes to trading and investing in the stock market. With all that said, let's jump right into the charts, starting with the Nasdaq triple Qs. So after being rejected at 538, the triple Qs fell through support at 530, 525, and 518 with barely any buyers in sight. Now at 510, the triple Qs, however, seems to have found some buyers down at these levels. If buyers can keep the Nasdaq above 510, be on the lookout for a massive rally back to the upside and to possibly new all-time highs. Current support as it stands is at 510. Below that, the next support level is at 506, and below 506 you have another support at 502. Above 510 you now have resistance at 518, 525, and at 530. I believe this to be a great buy the dip opportunity on the Nasdaq because we're in very oversold conditions, not only on the Qs but throughout the whole entire market. Everything seems to be on discount. The next ticker is nvda, Nvidia. As of recent highs, the stock was down 13% at lows. With Nvidia set to report their earnings this Wednesday, investors should anticipate increased volatility in the stock. As long as you can practice good risk management, you will survive and thrive in these market conditions. Current support for Nvidia is at 124. Below 124 you have your next support at 117 and 109. Above 124 you have resistance at 128, 136, and at 142. Currently Nvidia is oversold and the stock is inside of a wedge. If we get any decent buying pressure, look for a breakout to the upside, unless they gap the stock below support at 124. The next ticker is tsla, Tesla. After getting rejected at 363, Tesla is trading below its previous support at 325. Tesla's new support is currently at $300 per share. Below 300, the next support level is at 270. Above 300, you have resistance at 325, 340, and at 363. With the stock being inside of this bullish broadening wedge, any pullback in Tesla stock from this point on is a great buying opportunity for a run back up towards 480. The next ticker is AMD, a stock that I believe every investor should have in their portfolio. Why? Simply because the stock is completely oversold, and not only that, the stock is also undervalued. Once this stock takes off, there will be no looking back. Now with AMD breaking through support at 105, your new support is at 103, and below 103 your next support is at $100 per share. Guys, anything below 108 is a gift from Wall Street. Now above 105, AMD has resistance at 108, 112, and at 116. Based on the technicals, my price target for AMD stands at 153 and $200 per share. Now let's jump to Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin gets back above support at 88,000 and holds above it, I want you guys to be on the lookout for Bitcoin to run back up to 97,000. The next ticker is smci, Super Microcomputer. So in yesterday's video, I stated that I would be cautious if I was looking to enter the stock above support at $55. And instead, I would wait for a meaningful pullback similar to the one that created this right shoulder. If you choose to enter SMCI on this pullback, please manage your risk above current support at $44 per share. Now let's look at how precise my levels are with SMCI pulling back and bouncing directly off that $44 level. With all that said, current support for SMCI is at $44. Below that, you have support at $41 and $36 per share. Above 44, you now have resistance at $50, $55, and at $65 per share. With that said, I'm still looking for SMCI to hit $72 per share. The next ticker is AMZN, Amazon. So currently, Amazon has support at $205 per share. Below 205, Amazon's next support is at 201. Above 205, you have resistance at 213, 219, and $225 per share. So recently, Wells Fargo reduced their price target for Amazon from $207 per share down to $201 per share. With that said, my price target for Amazon stands at $257 per share.